Holy shit. You gotta check this out. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're pretty much, the snow is up to the door. It's higher than the door. We're buried in here. Oh man. Here we go again. We're getting some snow. What's up everybody? It's Camping with Shane. Damn, it looks like we got a ton of snow on the forecast. It's just kind of looking crazy out there. It says we're supposed to get about like 31 inches in the next 24 or 48 hours, which is pretty crazy. But I'm stoked for it. It's gonna be a good time. All right, it's been a couple hours. I went into work for a couple hours. I taught a little lesson, did some shoveling, and now we're back in the van. It's about 12, it's about 1 o'clock right now. I've been probably in here since 12. Well, yeah, just it's coming down pretty hard out there. I just made some coffee. And yeah, let's check it out outside. Actually, it's actually not coming down too hard right now. Like 20 minutes ago, it was coming down pretty hard, but it's probably just taking a little break. It's supposed to be snowing the whole night pretty much till tomorrow, and then probably snow all day tomorrow too. So we're gonna be getting a ton of snow, so this is gonna be interesting. Hopefully we won't be getting stuck here anytime soon. And I am gonna have to go park in my backup spot tonight, because where I usually park, they're gonna be plowing, so I can't park there. So the backup spot, it's not as nice. It doesn't get plowed a lot, so hopefully we can find ourselves a nice spot over there later tonight. But we're not gonna be heading there till later, because once we go there, we don't got no service. Wow. I just got my PlayStation connected to the Wi-Fi, and we're pulling 8.8 megabytes, whatever, up download speed. That is not too shabby for up here. We might even be able to finish downloading Warzone. I got Call of Duty updated, but now I need an update for the Warzone. So let's see, it says 5 hours, not bad. 4 hours now, yeah, I'll probably be playing for that long, but yeah. This is a typical snow day. I would be on the mountain right now, but it's pretty windy out there, and honestly, I don't like, and the snow's not super good right now. It's not like that good pow. It's kind of like the harder little balls. So hopefully that'll get better, and then, because it's not too great out there on the mountain right now. I mean, it's pretty good. I was riding for like 2 hours today already, so, but I'm just gonna be chilling the rest of the day. I'm trying to get a diamond camo on the LMGs on Call of Duty, so probably just gonna be grinding that out today and watching some YouTube or whatever on my laptop as I do that. But yeah, probably make up a sandwich here pretty soon. I'm kind of hungry. Oh yeah, I should also say I have my TV on the ground because the power cable's been like really finicky, hasn't been working too good, and for some reason it only works on the ground. It won't work when it's up there. It only works when it's on the ground. So that's kind of weird, but I have to kind of look down. But at least it's working. So it takes quite a bit of tries to get it to work though. All right, we're getting ready to go to the spot, and it is a lot more snowier than I thought. It's pretty deep, but it looks like they already plowed out a little bit, so I think we will be able to get out of this no problem, hopefully. So all right, I'm gonna have to keep it on. All right, we're moving. Oh man, yeah, it is deep. Wow. That's pretty deep. We got out no problem though. Wow, I could barely see. Flip the bright, even with the brights on. Wow, I can see better through the GoPro actually. That's funny, I can see way better through the GoPro. Oh man, The freeway, on the other hand, is completely stopped. Good thing we don't need to get on it. Yeah, look at this. Wow, it's pretty deep. I'm gonna need to keep my speed up to get up this hill. Hopefully we don't get stuck. It's pretty snowy, but some other people have been driving, so I'm just following their tracks. Man, I hope, oh damn, big pothole. We're just gonna park up right here. Pretty deep, but we should be able to make it in. Backup camera's probably frozen over. Oh, not too bad. Alright. Oh, and we are spinning tires. Move forward and... oh, we might be stuck. Just gonna rock it a little bit. There we go, almost there. I think we might be far enough in. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get a little more back if I can. Truck it back. Alright, that's much better. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna brave the cold and probably get all snowy because it is snowing pretty hard, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside. Oh man, yeah, it is pretty deep. Damn. Wow, it's up to my ankle. I don't even want to step in that deepness. Damn. Wow. Yeah, I'm just gonna get back in. Damn, we are getting some serious snow. It's wow, and it's like mid-March right now, almost mid-March. I think it's March 12th. When we were getting dunked on, it's supposed to keep going all night, so hopefully I'll be able to get out of this spot in the morning. All right, good morning, guys, and holy shit, you gotta check this out. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're pretty much, the snow is up to the door. It's higher than the door. We're buried in here. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's Jesus, I can't even shut that door now properly. Fuck. That is gnarly. I did not think we were gonna get that much snow overnight. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely buried in here. Damn, I do not think I'll be driving out of this morning. All right, I'm gonna assess the situation and then we'll go from there. All right, before we start this mission, I gotta make up some coffee. All right, we got some coffee. Feeling much better, but damn, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna dig it out later. I don't really have too much time this morning, so I'm probably just gonna wait till I'm ready for work and then just walk to work. So I don't think I'm gonna be pulling out of this morning. So yeah, it's pretty gnarly out there. Once I go outside, I'll show you guys what it looks like from the outside. It's pretty gnarly. I got some nice bibs. It's pretty thick. Alright. And then just gotta get our mountain shoes on. All right, let's do this. Oh man, I can't even open it that far. Damn, watch, it's just gonna, oh wait, shoot, I didn't secure my boots. Watch, I'm just gonna sink. Oh shit. Damn.
Snapchat!
Yo, dude, damn it. Holy shit.
Fucking deep.
Dude, it's hella deep.
How you doing this morning?
Good, good, how are you?
Good. Chilling.
Good. That was the homeboy Taylor, he got out. Damn, alright. Now I gotta walk to work, fuck. It's not too cold out, it's feeling pretty good. It's just snowing just a tiny bit. Oh man, look at that, man. Damn, he got it. That's pretty nice. Oh, that's a car under there. Oh shit. Damn. All the rigs. Damn. Alright, I'm on a little break at work right now. We've just been shoveling all morning. Man, I didn't realize how much snow we got. It was like up to my, like almost up to my chest at some points. Damn. Holy shit. Damn. This is crazy. Alright, we need to hop in some tracks. Damn. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. That was crazy. That was the deepest powder I've been in a long time. All right, we're back at the van. So I'm gonna try to do some unburying because we're supposed to be getting a ton of snow tonight. So if I don't unbury myself now, it's gonna be 10 times worse tomorrow. It's not pretty, but it's looking good. Got this all out. Made a nice little side. Cleared out the under a little bit. Under there. Now I'm working on this side. It's a little rougher. And then we gotta get the back out. All right, we're looking pretty good. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we could totally get out of here if we wanted to, but we're gonna be staying here for another night. All right, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, we're heading out to the slopes. We made it out here. Man, it is beautiful. The sun is poking through the clouds. It's not too windy. Snow kind of stopped. It was really heavy when I was walking over, but it's been like on and off all day. Damn, they're closing this area down right now, so I made it just in time. All right, my binding is not tightening, so I just gotta take it easy. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yeah, looks pretty decent. Whoa. Not too tracked out yet. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Oh, slow it down. Oh, shit. Crazy. That's like a roller coaster. It's beautiful out. Absolutely amazing. Alright, we're probably gonna drop in on race course. It's closed over there now. It's all tracked out, but hopefully we can hit some good lines. That's nice.
I just got some hot chocolate, and now we're downloading some shows on Netflix and movies so we can watch later since we don't have service.
All right, we are out of there. I was so tired. I couldn't do any more laps. It was a pretty long day. Lots of shoveling, lots of pow. Just a tad bit windy, but it stopped snowing, which I'm happy because I'm pretty hungry and I'm ready to cook up some food, and I want to keep the door open in the van for a little bit. All right, we made it back to the van. It's looking good. Shovel work was very nice. I'm glad I did that. Gotta get the snow off my boots. But I left this part uncarpeted because I knew I was going to be tracking at a bunch of snow and stuff, so it doesn't really matter if I stand over here when it's all snowy. But yeah, it is freaking nice out. Just look at that view. That is just freaking amazing. And we got a huge snow behind us. Yeah, it feels good. It's about it says it is 29 degrees in the van right now. It really doesn't feel that bad. Oh, it's starting to pick up snow again. Damn it, right when I wanted to open my door, it's snowing, but it's not snowing too bad. We'll just keep it open. But you know, I'm probably gonna hang out just for a little bit. Pretty exhausting day, just kind of sit down, and I don't have any internet or anything, so that kind of sucks out here, but I'm just gonna probably put on one of those episodes that I downloaded. If you didn't know, on Netflix, you can only do it on your phone, but you can download movies, and like I downloaded a full season or 2 full seasons. I don't think I downloaded the whole thing because the Wi-Fi was not working too good, but I got quite a bit of things to watch, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna clean up the van, kind of get into chill mode a little bit, and then see what about dinner. All right, I'm getting dinner started. We got some Johnsonville beef brats and some chili and some buns. So you guys already know the deal. We love chili dogs in this van, and yeah, I'm gonna cook up some more chili dogs. All right, the chili is almost ready. Dogs are ready. Got the buns warming up. And yeah, I got some Trailer Park Boys on. And I'm pretty freaking stoked to eat this up. All right, let's assemble it up. Man, I'm pretty stoked. There's 3 chili dogs and some extra chili to dip them into. Man, I've been looking forward to this all day. Alright, we're all done with dinner. That was super delicious. Been just hanging out, and I just popped on a movie on my phone, and I'm just getting ready for bed. It's only like 8 o'clock right now, but I'm ready to just jump in bed and go to sleep. So yeah, it's been a long day today. So I think we're supposed to get a bunch of snow tonight, so I'm not sure if we will. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.